rockstar lifestyle when I'm gon' make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, yeah, we knew that she was faking. MG on the beach, yo, wait till I'm the greater.
What is up, Go Fam? As you can see in the title, the motorbike is back. But I don't even 100% know if it's gonna be back because I don't know if it's gonna start or whatnot. I didn't ride this on in a little minute and it didn't have gas in it. So it's gonna be a bit hard to start the first, you know what I mean? And it ain't even got no chain, so I gotta try to run start it. But that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm about to go walk it to the gas station. My front tire is like flat also, so I'm gonna need to try to get air. Look at this. Flat. Just been letting this thing sit. I ain't gonna lie though, I do want to sell it because I want to try to build something else. I ain't gonna say too much about it, what I'm trying to build, but it's gonna be fire. It's something like this, but better, way better, way better. Yeah, so I'm about to walk into the gas station. I got the 2-stroke, so let's go see if this thing start up. I didn't try to start it in a minute, but let's go see. I never chewed this, but this is what I gotta do when I want to ride my pedal bikes. Got to the gas station. This is the closest joint. This joint was a chike though, I ain't finna cap, but gotta get the 2-stroke out first. I don't even know how much 2-stroke I got. Well, I can just buy something from here though. I ain't got none left. But that thing bone dry. Gotta gas the thing up. I need, oh no, this one don't even take that much. I'm cool. That's how much to fill this thing up. What? I got the gas and all in this joint. That's how many joints is about to take this started though. Nah, I was about to say the first try. Nest. Oh yeah, let me pump through some gas through the drone.
That's an e-bike.
Huh?
That's an e-bike.
It's a motorbike. There we go. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. The motorbike is officially back. I don't know yet. Yeah. Yeah. This all got warm up though. It ain't been starting in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, it look like it's gonna rain. But I'm about to go meet up with Sair in a little bit. I'm gonna do a separate video. He got something new. Maybe it'll be out before this, maybe after. I'm not too sure, but you know, I'm about to just ride around, get busy until I gotta go meet him. He's in school right now. He gets out of school in a little bit. So, yeah, sir. Oh, oh, oh yeah, it's back. Oh yeah, it's back. They talking about, I need air though, but it's back. It's back. It's back. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, Sirski. Yeah, Sirski. Oh, watch him. Oh. First wheelie back on this one. Oh, the chain got stuck on the sprocket joint. I need to try to take the chain off somehow. That joint keep popping every time I put it on. I need to try to get it off. I ain't trying to get that joint. Worm ya more. I ain't trying to get that joint get stuck. I'm gonna be salty. I definitely need the air pump though. I'm not trying to go to the little bike shop going around there. They probably like $10 for some air. What? Oh. Oh yeah. Hit the corner? Nah, I ain't hitting it. Nah, I'm scared. I ain't got no air. I'm scared. Try to chop that joint. I think, yeah, the little bike shop right here. Let's go see how much they say for air. I don't even got no cash on me, I don't think. Let's go see what they say. Can I get some air? Oh. I probably can only pump the front. The back don't got that skinny drum. Sheesh, that thing was flat though. Oh. What's in this joint? Good looking though, G. Yeah, I ain't got the joint though. What? Who's the little Honda?
Oh, the guy.
He wheelie that joint?
Yeah, it runs. You know.
No, he wheelie it or nah?
No, I don't know.
Wait, it going this way?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this?
No, turn around.
Like this?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Maybe bring over here a little.
Nah, going like this, OG.
Yeah. You got the valve out?
Yeah. Oof, it's hot with this hoodie on. Sheesh. Appreciate that, OJ. Oh, he mobbing with the motorbike. He don't want no smoke. He don't want no smoke. Yo, any other time I try to go to that joint, last time, I think I was on this. I needed air. He was like, oh no, you gotta pay for the Presto valve, you gotta pay for air. I'm like, what the flip? Hold up. Sarah said he better be home, but he still got a little minute. I don't even know where I'm about to go. I'm about to just ride around for real. Let's go to Southwest and all that. We out. I got air now too. That's thirsty. Yeah. Woohoo! Combos on this thing. Oh, whoa. Hold on, I need to make sure my pegs are tight too. Them Jones be coming loose. I ain't trying to go down. Yeah, they tight. Hold on, I gotta upload my video. Hold up. I had to hurry up and upload that thing. It was almost 4 p.m. It's 3:50. I had to hurry up and upload. Well, it was already uploaded. I just had to do the description, the premiere, all that is. But it's the what is my intro song. If you want to know, go watch that video. Hold on, I need to start this joint again. That's the worst thing about not having a chain on this joint. But this joint not too hard to start. You just run. I'm hyped this joint back though. But yo, I am looking to sell this joint because I want to build something even crazier. And don't offer me no 300, 200. Bro, the bike is 500 itself, just the pedal bike without the motor. And then with the motor was 150. The sprocket, I paid like, I don't even know how much for. I think I paid like $50 for it. I got the new carb, that was like 20, I think. 15, 20 around there. That's really it though, but still, don't offer me no 200, 300 and all that is. I'm not taking that. But if you do want to buy this, if you're looking into buying it, DM me on Instagram, ONEWAY_Corey. And the chain will be fixed. Tweet got a chain for me, but he just be BSing to put it on. But it definitely will be fixed before I sell it. Oh. I'm from Southwest where we catch wreck by heavy artillery. Oh, come on, shorty. You cutting. Oh, Steve. You cutting. sliding. I'm trying to do the no throttle. Oh, oh. Ah. Way back on the old school. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's getting windy. Hold on, hold on. You tripping, though? Oh, oh, hold on. Woo! Woo! Here. I wonder how fast this gonna go. It's gonna probably go like 30. I'm trying to pedal like it pedals. I'm tripping. I gotta turn back around. So you're probably damn near home already. I just stopped for like 5-10 minutes. Rode all the way up here. Should be near home. Oh no, Lonnie just ride around with it without the chain. I don't like it. I need my chain. I need that thing. Because when you wheelie sit, I don't think you can wheelie it sitting down this like this. Oh yeah, you can. I'm awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta have that thing screaming. I'm trying to combo this too. Yo, try Tuesday on this? Try Tuesday on this? Should I slide? What? I'm trying to see how fast it's going. Come on. Push it. Oh yeah, down the hill about to get bonus. Yo! But their turn signal late as ever. Unreal. That's why little Ryan be wearing his helmet on this joint. WORLDFOREVER drivers, I tell you. That's what my old dad was just telling me at the gas station. These WORLDFOREVER drivers crazy. For real though, they tripping, dude. Oh, this one back working. I guess they needed gas. Oh! I guess they needed gas in the bike for this to work. This one wasn't working. What the fuck? Hold on, let me change it. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, oh. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna stick here. Oh, sorry. Oh, swerve it. Oh, Oh. Where's Lawrence at now? He don't want to smoke. Oh. My God. Oh my God. And these ain't no Maxes neither. These are C100 tires. Saw that cut up? Stop playing with me. Oh. Oh, oh. 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 Hold up. Oh. That cut up crazy. No cap. The wheel don't drop. Oh, combos. Okay. Oh. 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 Hold up. Oh. Sayer probably on that bus. I'll call him. Oh, Sayer. Yumbo really on the bus behind me too, that I said. Oh, you far as ever though. I didn't wait for you then. Alright. That's funny as flip. I said he behind me too, and guess what? He was. Wait, comments are on my new YouTube video? What the fuck? Only 100 people watching? Talking about crack sniffler. My allergies is tripping. Never in my life did I did any type of drug. So yeah, they are on. Oh shoot. Go comment if they're still on. I got my on both side on the little bussy. Oh wait, or is he on the cheese bus? Hold up. He might catch the cheese bus. Yeah, I think he on the cheese bus. Yeah, he on the cheese bus. I am gonna get off the bus. What's up with him? What the bags on the motorbike? Oh, can we even make it out the hill? I don't think we gonna make it, son. I should have started before. Oh man. Alright, I'm about to switch SD cards now. Yeah, well, I'm about to do another video with Sair. It's gonna be a banger. I'm letting you know that now. I don't know which one's gonna be out before, but whatever one's out before, you'll see it. This thing is for sale. DM me offers on Instagram, ONEWAY_Corey. This thing for sale. Nothing wrong with it. Just a chain, but I'm gonna get that put on. And I'll even put the horn in. Need batteries now though. So I just left Sair, and I ain't gonna lie. Wow, this don't sound right now. Alright, my exhaust loose. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to go home. My allergies was tripping, like tripping. So I'm about to just go home. And I'm gonna just end this video off here too. I don't know how much even. Yo, what's up with this joint? Lawrence. But I'm gonna just end this video off here. I don't even know how much clips I got or anything. But this is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch right now. Link in the description. Just dropped a new shirt. It's limited edition. You'll never get that shirt again. It's the graphic t-shirt with, when the riot stuff was going on and I wheelie through the fire zone. It's that t-shirt. Or go get it right now. Link in the description. Or go fam. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already. Subscribe to the Uncut channel, the gaming channel. Yeah. Go get the merch. All that. Oh, hold on. I ain't gonna stop until I drop. Go fam. Thanks for watching. We out.